Or you could take it to
hair.
She copied me.
Not really.
Yeah, she did.
Actually, no.
See, because my blue hair matches my shirt. Okay, go on.
Your blue hair is dull. Mine is more aqua.
That's because I dyed it like 3 weeks ago.
What?
That's more like Lindsay, you need to get in on this.
Yeah.
Hi!
No, I think to only make it fair, I think Lindsay should dye her hair blue now.
Her mom won't let her.
My mom thinks that'll like make my hair fall out.
Never mind.
Okay, wait a minute.
Maybe just paint your nails blue.
I already did that.
Oh, well there you go. You're in.
We're very blue. We're melancholy. Okay. In the middle? No. Not working? No.
Snowflake?
No, it's a snowflake.
I don't know where to put it. My shoe's falling off.
No, just a horse. Put it right here. I look like Meredith Stephen.
You look like Marilyn Stepfin?
No! I said Meredith Stephen. You don't even know who that is, do you?
Yeah, I have a question. How do you do all of this?
What?
No. I don't know.
I don't know. That's what you said.
Yeah.
I woke up this morning and
Woo!
I know! I'm a special snowflake! And like my bangs were sticking straight out.
Unicorn.
I know. I didn't want to come to school like that.
It's still kind of sticky.
Shut up!
You spit on my arm.
Do it anymore. I'll spit as much as you want me to. Just kidding. Why am I the only one on the camera? I didn't want to.
Wait, hold on.
Darn it, I missed.
Oh,
She lost all of it. Well, I like that color.
thanks.
Why is it on my paper?
Oh god.
Stop pick my nose with it. No. You can't pick my nose with a pen. You can't pick my nose at all. You'll infect my nose ring again.
Oh my god.
How do you live? She's gonna pick your nose with a pen. Oh.
Wait. Okay. I'm so immature.
Okay, this isn't working today.
Picking the nose of a statue.
This isn't working today. Lindsay.
I'll throw it in the trash can really hard so it knows what it did.
Bad iPod. You're being punished.
I'm still mad that those assholes took our house.
Lindsay got her house ticket.
And some assholes egged my dad's car.